Okay guys, so today we're taking a look at the use of passive voice. Okay, to begin with, so when do we use and why do we use the passive voice? So the passive voice is used in formal context, in formal situations. Okay? In the passive voice, the object is more important than the subject. Okay, so that's something important to consider. So let's take a look at this example. In this example, Juan cleans the room. So here, Juan is the subject, cleans is the verb, and the room is the object. Okay? Since in this sentence, the most important part is Juan, and in the passive voice, the most important part is the object. So what I have to do is I have to change from active voice to passive voice. So the object now is going to be my new subject, and my subject is going to be my new object. Okay? So in this case, the room is cleaned by Juan. So here I have to apply a very easy formula, which is this. So I have to use the subject, I have to use a form of the to be verb, okay, which is this in this case in present is the verb must be in a past participle form. Which verb? This verb. So instead of using cleans, I have to use cleaned, okay, in a past participle form. And you have to write by Juan. So we use by to say who did the action. Okay? So here, now let's take a look at these formulas. So in positive, the sentence would look like this. The room is cleaned by Pepe. And this is the formula. In a negative form, the room isn't cleaned by Pepe. So the only thing you have to do is you have to use a negative form of the to be verb. In this case, the opposite of is, or negative form of is, would be isn't. Okay, now, how do we make yes or questions? So you have to place first the to be verb, then the subject, verb in past participle, complement, and question mark. So the sentence or the question would look like this. Is the room cleaned by Pepe? Okay, now, let's take a look at the forms of the be in present and in past. So in present, the form of the to be verb is going to be am, is, are. Negative, isn't, aren't. In simple past, the negative form of be will be was and were. Negative, wasn't,